The newly on-the-road dung beetle was still inexperienced, pressing the little frogs down and making them cry out. As a lump of dung fell from the sky, the dung beetle knew it was mealtime. It had to reach the destination within a minute. For dung beetles, dung balls are not just food, but also essential for mating. However, a good dung ball will attract others to snatch it. For example, just as this dung beetle finished rolling its dung ball, it was attacked by another dung beetle. But as more dung beetles joined in, a dung ball defense battle began. While rolling the dung, the beetle uses its body and hind legs to control the rolling direction. However, the only downside to this method is that it can't see the road, which led to it rolling right under a giant's foot. To save its life, it decided to escape first and return for the dung ball after the elephant herd had passed. Meanwhile, in the pond, all the baby bullfrogs grew legs overnight. Now they had to leave the pond and move on to land to start a new life. After the elephant herd left, the dung beetle found its dung ball completely intact. However, while pushing the dung ball through the bullfrog's territory, it accidentally ran over the newborn babies. After committing a hit and run, karma struck.